Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a final tax return for an LLC. First, ensure you understand your LLC's operating agreement and state dissolution requirements. It is crucial to settle all outstanding debts and obligations before proceeding. Next, distribute any remaining assets to the LLC members according to their ownership percentages. This foundational work sets the stage for accurate final tax filings and a smooth closure process. For federal taxes, the specific form depends on your LLC's tax classification. If taxed as a C corporation, file Form 1120. For an S corporation, use Form 1120S. Partnerships must file Form 1065, making sure to check the final return box. Single-member LLCs, by default, report their income and expenses on Schedule C of their personal Form 1040. Always indicate this is the final return. Beyond federal requirements, you must also address state tax obligations. File final state income or franchise tax returns, as applicable, and ensure all state-specific boxes are checked for a final return. It is also important to formally cancel any state business licenses and permits associated with your LLC. Finally, settle any outstanding state sales tax obligations to avoid future penalties or issues. To finalize the process, file articles of dissolution with the state where your LLC was formed. This legally terminates your business entity. Remember to notify all relevant parties, including creditors, customers, and employees, about the LLC's closure. Lastly, it is vital to retain all business records, including tax documents, for at least 3 to 7 years, as required by law.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.